when you're doing simultaneous equations, sometimes you're given a word problem, and you have to somehow translate the word problem into simultaneous equations. So, for example, let's say we held a concert last week. 100 tickets were sold. Adult tickets cost $5 each, and a child's ticket would cost $3 each. Altogether, we collected $470. So how many adults tickets were sold and how many children's tickets were sold? So with word problems, sometimes you've got to read it again, and somehow translate it into equations. So for example, let's try and extract important points from the word question. So 100 tickets were sold. Okay, 100 tickets were sold. Adult tickets cost $5. A child's ticket would cost $3. We collected altogether we collected $470. Now you probably have to read this again and again and again. Maybe you might draw some pictures. So let's see. An adult. I don't know. You just got to reread it, and just try and play around with it. So here, adult here. Let's say a child here. A child here holding a balloon or something. I don't know. Now we held a concert last week. 100 tickets were sold. So 100 tickets were sold. So you could say this. Hang on. You could say. So this here is an adult, a child here. Now the number of adults plus, well, you could say number of adults plus number of children would be 100. Okay, so yeah, so here this is really one equation here, because the number of adults plus the number of children must be 100, because altogether we've sold 100 tickets. Okay, so this in itself is an equation. And then hang on. So suppose we well, each adult each adult ticket cost $5. So if this is the number of adults, you could say 5 adults, 5 times the number of adults here. Well, each ticket costs 5 adults. Suppose you have, let's say 50 adults, then you would get 50 times this 5 here. That will give you the amount of money you collected for the adults. Okay, so here and then each child's ticket costs $3. So maybe you can do something like this. Each child's ticket, well, let's say this represents well, each child costs $3. So get the number of children times that by 3, and then well, we collected $470. So this is your other equation. And if you look at our situation, you have to somehow satisfy this, because the number of tickets is 100, and well, you got to somehow satisfy this and satisfy this as well. So so really it boils down to you solving this. Let's say this is x and this is y. So you've got to solve this. X plus y equals 100, and also 5x plus 3y equals whatever. This, well, we don't, well, yeah. So you got to somehow solve these two simultaneous equations. Well, you got to satisfy this, because the number of tickets you've got is 100, and you've got to satisfy this because we collected $470. And well, an adult ticket will cost $5. A child's ticket will cost $3. So you've got to satisfy both of these equations. Okay. So now somehow just solve, just eliminate one. Let's times everything by 5 here. So we will have 5x plus 5y equals 500. Now let's kill off the let's get this one, take away this one here. So we will have, hang on, so we are going to get this equation, take away this equation, so that will be 2y equals equals and then this take away this, so that would be 30. Okay, and then divide both sides by 2, so y equals 15. So y here represents the number of children. So there must be 15 children. Okay, and then now we can put this into this thing here. Well, if there are 15 children, then there must be 85 adults. 85 adults. Okay, so the number of adults would be 85, and the number of children would be 15. And then let's check it. Let's put this into here. So 5 times 85, what's that? 5 times 80. Remember, if you put 85 into here, that represents the number of adults, and each adult ticket costs $5. So let's get 85 times 5 here. This will be 25, carry the 2, 42, and then so this here would be 4 to 45, and then 3 times 15. 3 times 15 is 45. 45. So add the two together. Add this with this here would give us 470. Yeah. So here the two, yeah. So basically this is satisfied and this is also satisfied. Okay. So well, it's just a matter of reading it again and again and somehow translating into equations. Well, you just got to play around and practice. Okay.